So how do you make payments on Kikoff? Actually, making payments on Kikoff is super easy and essential for building your credit. So once you're signed up, you just simply log into your Kikoff account via the app or the website. From your dashboard, you'll see active credit line and the $5 monthly payment due. Now, payments are automatically deducted from your linked bank account or card, so you don't need to worry about missing due dates. But if you prefer manual payments, you can also go to the Payments tab and pay directly. So stay consistent. Kikoff reports your payments to Equifax and Experian and also TransUnion to help boost your credit score over time. If you need more help, just contact Kikoff support through this number right here up above, or you can reach them through email at support@kikoff.com. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is Josh. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out.